looking at ice cream. Like, clearly this is false advertising. I could be sued for like a lot of money. Gotta fix it. Gotta fix it. Here we go. Little piece of tape here. Merch.
Fight it. Merch. Fight it. Merch.
Big news!
Alright.
Fight it. Merch. Fight it. Merch.
Jack, hand me some merch.
Don't do it, Logan.
I gotta do it, bro. Oh, put the merch cannon down. Put the cannon down.
My big announcement is gonna be linked in the description.
Put the merch cannon down.
I got merch.
Alright, Scott and Jason, come in. 3, 2, spin around. I made merch!
Here it goes.
Big news!
What's happening?
To your left, you'll see we got the merch.
Levi's has invited me here to their house
You can get your merch on localball.com/shop. Be a Maverick. Join the squad. Yeah.
to create
Why not take you guys on a new JoJo merch room tour?
a Rose Ave limited edition.
Come on in!
I've never seen so much merch in my life.
Look at how good and cool and magical this place looks. For a long time, I've been working on merch, some quality merch.
I wanted to talk about some merch that I am launching.
I don't even want you tell them. You tell them.
We have foot bags! Shut up and tell us about the merch!
When I hear the term merch, I can't help but think about my own pursuit. In 2001, I went to New York City to give away free merch.
And up next, we'll talk with a man who says he solved the problem of naming the next decade.
Guerra is spending hundreds of dollars to pass out shirts and spread the word. He wants everyone to call the next decade the uni. What are we going to call the next years? For the 70s, the 80s, the 90s. Will the year 2000 bring in the zeros, the twos? This one is actually much more advanced, we were saying earlier, than the first ones you came out with.
And after I tell them, explain to them, I get good vibes.
I went there explaining my prediction how the world was going to be more unified through the internet. And each t-shirt came with a pamphlet describing the unification of the unis, in which the entire world would come together to make one. Maybe I was a little ahead of my time. Now it seems common to share and get likes.
Now, why go about all of this effort? Well, only 8 months are left until the new millennium, leaving very little time to figure out a name for the first 10 years of the next decade.
I really think it's important to really know what we call it.
Unis. Now, are you anticipating becoming part of the history books?
He wants everyone to call the next decade the uni. That's because each year will be a single digit, like 2001. Now, Ryan pays for the shirts himself. He says it's worth it to spend the time and the money just to be able to influence history.
Welcome to Video Influencers.
I get some other influencers.
Influencer's a horrible word.
Daily vlogger just like my wife and I.
I hate that word influencer. I'm going to make a movie every day. The reason why influencer is a terrible word is because it talks about the effect, not the cause.
He's launched a campaign to convince the world to use it. Thanks for coming in this morning, Ryan. Before you tell us what the name is, how did you arrive at this name?
And all it was is that every year in the next decade is only one digit.
Tell me what you're doing to convince people to use.
I mean, if you look at the unis has a numerical value. Thus, the unis was born.
The uni.
The unis!
And you more than just talk about the unis. You made a bunch of t-shirts.
So what are you studying at USC, Ryan?
Advertising.
No, how did we
It's
know
great
that?
practice.
You know, there's a lot of textbooks that are written. There's a lot of material that you need to know what the name of the new decade is. Society really just, I don't know if they really want somebody to come and name the decade. That's why they try to refer it to what we said in the past, but we really never had a name for the past.
Well, it's a very interesting concept. We'll have to see how this all pans out in the next decade.
Shut up and tell us about the merch!